Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by clarifying what you must show and why. Pick 2 to 4 key metrics and their target audience. Once chosen, clean the source tables, remove duplicates, standardize date formats, and fix numbers. Then create a new workbook and load data with get and transform so links are stable. This immediate focus saves time later. It prevents rework when building visuals. Make sure to name ranges and queries logically. This helps when you add calculations and charts next. You now create a calculations sheet where every metric has a clear formula name. Use sumifs for ranges and XLOOKUP for lookups to keep formulas readable. Once done, build pivot tables from your queries to aggregate by date, region, or product, and connect slicers for instant filtering. Then add charts, column for comparisons, line for trends, and small KPI cards for targets. Use consistent colors and axis scales so viewers compare correctly. This makes the dashboard intuitive and accurate. You finish by arranging visuals for quick scanning. Place KPIs top left, trends nearby, and details lower. Once done, add concise titles, one-line captions, and consistent legends, then lock layout cells and hide raw data sheets to avoid accidental edits. Save a versioned copy and publish to SharePoint or Teams if needed. If figures go wrong, refresh the data, inspect the get and transform steps, and validate named ranges and formulas. This troubleshooting sequence resolves most errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.